can't express that. If you are any except for any competition, there is long line of people what to do. Unless the low and if it is Sanskrit, there is no one. And only the actually no matter how knowledgeable we are, but if we are not able to express our feelings, then we are a big zero.
Yes, I am very much. I have again because I have heard what Sunny says. Now, one very crucial stage of life is our career. Suppose we have idea, no matter we can be. We are very much good at history and maths. We have been selected for, we are going for our interview for the campus selection. The interviewer or the panel is sitting here is not going to select us. This is what we know. The company in which we are going to be recruited is not going to ask us whether we know the formula of H2O or H2O.
I'll talk about the environment. If that means that was area of profession, we have said that environment should be also good for speaking. Means the speaker gets encouraged. So like that, if the environment is discouraging or not interested in listening, that what one says, the speaker gets
As it is said, the object of poetry is persuasion. And the effect of inhibition clearly contradicts the statement that object of poetry is persuasion. We cannot express our feelings and so we fail to convince or persuade the people. The other effect of inhibitions is that we fail to communicate at interviews and jobs and so we fail to get a job. And it also leads to no growth of character or less personality development.
Abhishek Samay, I agree with you. If we are easy to come and IIT, one should sometimes we can create very environment yourself and audience have to listen that this is not a debate you can't contradict. I'm not contradicting you. You give it is also our class. We appeared as a dumb when we are not able to communicate effectively. We are very bad when we are not good.
Agreeing with something, I
all of them are right on the participants.
I'd like to say that everybody else know what academics they are good, but they don't know how to speak. They are unable to express their feelings. In our opinion, people say
as a effect we can see that when a new speaker tries to speak on stage, they get disturbed by the audiences. For the next time they don't want to go and speak foreign languages. They are unable to face interview.
You change your place. That's very good. Shows your enthusiasm. Nobody was hearing him, so you can go away.
If you don't have better speaking, if you don't have better speaking English, you will be limited to a particular place. You will not be able to go to foreign for your jobs and other things. You will have a limited space for your work.
yeah, say if you able to express their
one is stage courses, when you would be able to express his feelings and his words in the public in a precise way. All my
stage can develop that if they know their academic part is good, they know all the formulas, they agree with some. I would like to say that the problems in facing interviews, if they are unable to face their interview, they will be out from the exams they are going to.
Yes, there are many people in the world who can be compared to the huge reservoir of knowledge and words. But the lack of communication skills is the main cause. I think we can make our talk effective.
Yes, I agree with you. Listen, speaking skills are that thing which matter a lot in our day-to-day life. For take example, we he has asked the Prime Minister as Manmohan Singh. At the same time, he has President of United States of America as Barack Obama. But see the amount of immunity Barack Obama has got. The fact that one point he is the president of such a big power, international power, but the other fact he is a good speaker. All people love to listen to When anyone heads towards any MNC in any foreign country, they are not able to convince their CEO or the secretary of the company. When anyone goes in the foreign country, they find difficulties to spending their lives.
Friends, like Abhishek Sharma said, when we are going to pass out from here, we will join engineering colleges, medical colleges. When we will be a successful fourth year student, the campus will come. They will not see that how much good you are at study. They will see how you speak, how you communicate.
How you can interact.
On that basis, they will select.
Knowledge also matters.
Yeah, knowledge matters.
If you don't have power of convincing, the knowledge of convincing power.
If you are genuine communication is effective oneself from acting naturally.
You should be able to
If you act naturally, you can make the point is not
If you don't have knowledge, you will not be. If you have knowledge but no communication skill, you will not be able to communicate. The knowledge of no use.
In the society, he knows everything. He is being discarded from the society.
Yes, this is inhibition. Yes, this is inhibition only.
Okay. Now, 1522, do you have 2 marks? Do you have 2? Please keep on standing. 1537.
Yes, sir.
2. 1544. 2 or 1. Please sit down. 1694. 2. Stand up. 1704. 2 or 1.
Yes, sir.
2. Stand up. 1. 1699.
Yes, sir.
Stand. Sorry. 2. 1822.
Yes, sir.
2. Stand up. 1832.
Yes, sir.
2. Stand. 1834. 2. Stand. 1851.
Yes.
2.
Yes.
Stand. 1979. Sit down. 2007.
Yes.
2. Stand. 2226.
Yes, sir.
1 or 2? 2. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who are next? 1522, 1537, 1694, 1699, 1704, 1822,
Yes, sir.
1832,
Yes, sir.
1834, 2007,
Yes, sir.
2226.
Yes, sir.
Whose phone number I haven't called? Phone number?
Yes.
Phone number?
185.
Oh. What is your phone number? 2? Yeah. The third round solution.
Yes.
So one of the best solution is never lose your confidence. What people are saying, don't listen to them. Just give answer by your presentation. If you will present, their marks will on there is third
I clearly agree. I really agree.
Best solution is that when you have to speak something, you first go in front of mirror, practice 100 times, as much times as you can, so that you gain self-confidence. By doing this, you will gain self-confidence, and I am sure that you will be
I
successful.
clearly agree with that and I
Because you have taken my words from my mouth, I want another solution I want to give. That look, if a bad pronunciation generally occurs due to lack of confidence, right? Then if you are boosted up, then there is a minimum chance to create pronunciation errors.
Yes, Pallav, you are right. It is said. Yes, Pallav, you are 100% right. You have to practice a lot. You have to participate in debates, talks, extempores, and you have to work hard a lot. And I want to say that never be overconfident, because one time I went overconfident and I failed to speak. The other point is never have self-confidence. If you have self-confidence, you will be fluent in your speech and you will never fear from the crowd, never from the audience.
Exactly.
Please.
first,
I agree with you, Adnan, but I will also like to suggest some ideas about how to enrich our vocabulary. We must read the newspapers. At least one English newspaper must be read by us every day, and the editorial sections of the newspapers are quite.
Friends, friends, the best solution is that.
Let him please, let him please.
Please, one at a time.
The need of the hour is that all my friends are said correctly, quite correctly, and the basic thing that we have indicated is to make an environment among themselves. All the topics, all the tips that they have concluded is right. Just to conclude that you make an environment within you that can prosper you to make good communications. Yes, sir. We must start to speak among ourselves so that we can communicate with other companies. The very important for
Alok, wait. I have a new point. Wait. I have a new point. If you are speaking a talk or anything, you look for a strong close because as you know that all is well that ends well.
At first we should come out of the vicious circle of denying and delaying, because this is the time, now or never. Because coming out of this school, you will never get a chance to speak. This is the only chance to amend your own ways.
Interaction with friends. Boldness is a great. Never underestimate each other. Interact with friends in English, and you can always be bold and speak any strange people.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree. Let him go speak.
Self-confidence is what turns us from a stick in the mud type of a person to a go-ahead type of a person. Now the question arises how to develop self-confidence inside ourselves.
As a solution,
In front of the mirror, take part in the
Friends, I want to give one solution.
we have to start communicating with our friends in foreign languages. We should watch English movies, English songs, and we should participate in various other activities.
Nowadays, best solution is given by CBSE. We have to participate in CBSE activities. CBSE has provided us a lot of activity, and if we participate in that, we will improve a lot. And CBSE has given us a good opportunity to improve.
We should also use library dictionary.
In my opinion, all friends are right. But I have an opinion. Don't think about grammatical mistakes. Don't think about pronunciation error. Only create a surrounding which help you very much. In my opinion, please speak 7 period in the whole class time. We can speak English. I have one thing to say. If you think you are weak, because you will be. If you think you are strong,
1522. Did I mark? No, please sit down. 1537. Yes, sir. Did I mark? Yes. Stand up. 1694.
Yes, sir.
Keep on standing. 1699.
Yes, sir.
Keep on standing. 1704. No, sir. Please sit down. 1822.
Yes, sir.
Please keep on standing. 1832.
Yes, sir.
Keep on standing. 1834. Keep on standing. 1851.
Yes, sir.
Keep on standing. 2007.
Yes, sir.
Keep on standing. 2226.
Yes, sir.
Keep on standing. How many are here?
9.
9? Still 9?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Who do you think is the leader of the class? Pick. Huh? You all? You all. Who do you think is the leader? Okay. Abhishek, who do you think is the leader? You are the leader. Who do you think is the leader? Who do you think is the leader? You are the leader. Adnan, who do you think is the leader? Who do you think is the leader? What are the what are the 3 leadership qualities in him that you have found out?
I found that when he is saying that everybody gets equal chances when speaking out, he gives very accurate points about the group discussion now, and sir, he is very polite.
Would you accept him to be your deputy for a problem that I entrust you? If I give you a problem and he has already chosen you to be his leader, would you accept him to be your assistant? What things in him did you like?
Sir, the thing that I like in Bhardwaj is that the point that he gave just cross-check with each other. He does not emphasize on this topic only. He all listens and does include this topic.
Adnan, define non-verbal communication. What do you mean by non-verbal communication?
Non-verbal communication means to communicate with your facial expressions.
Very good. Do you think who among the whole group has used non-verbal communication the most? Out of these boys was anybody? Abhishek Sharma. Who is Abhishek?
The same boy.
Do you think that his usage of non-verbal communication was actually important for his being emerging as a leader?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You all accept him as a leader?
Yes, sir, because he has a convincing power.
Fine. Abhishek is a leader and you are all his assistants. I give you a problem. Go with it. Go with it. I want a solution in 30 seconds. Listen to the problem. The solution has to come in 30 seconds. The problem is this. At 6:30 a.m. in the morning at times, we find that 2 houses don't have water. As a result of which, students always arrive late to the assembly. Solve the problem.
Sir, every room.
पानी गिरते ना
Those two houses, all the boys should have been individual buckets, and the water should be kept in the buckets in the night itself. Other thing also that the taps should be checked that they are not open at the night itself. And the third point, hand pump. All the hand pump should be allowed 2 houses, 1 hand pump for 2 houses. Even in those cases, if the water is not available in the morning, then the boys could easily get the water from the hand pump.
I would like to add to this point that everyone should wake up early in the morning so that they early in the morning water comes and after that it goes early. Everyone wants to wake up. Should we wake up? Should wake
I
up
want
in
to
the
add
morning
another point that there should be a scattered timetable. Two rooms should take bath in 6:30. 2 rooms should take bath in 6 p.m. so that there is not a whole load at one time.
What happened in the last 30 seconds here?
We discussed.
We discussed about the
We gave our points.
How is it that you all thought so quickly?
Because it's a common problem.
It is a common problem.
So isn't that when a problem comes, you forget your individual differences and you all start solving this?
Yes.
Were you all talking in English or in Hindi?
Both languages.
Why do you think that you were, in spite of my instructions, you were all talking in Hindi?
It is easier to
Sir, I want to contradict you. The day you explained about the communication skills, you told that there is no specification of the mode of the language, and so we can talk in any language. We prefer.
It is better to.
If I want you to exclude 2 from this group, which 2 would you be excluding?
critical situation.
You are a leader. I'm asking you to terminate the services of 2. Which 2 of this whole group are you going to exclude quick? Yes, it is mandatory. It's my order. It's the chairman's order. You have to exclude 2. You can't argue. You can't argue with me. It's my order. You have to execute. How can the leader get it himself? I am telling you, you exclude 2. A leader has to take decisions, very hard decisions at times.
Okay, sir. मत कीजिए हमारे से बोलते हैं
Avinash and Palla, what are the reasons for the exclusion?
The reason because all the group members were quite active in the discussion, but the degree of discussion, just there should be some parameters on which someone has to got the 3 ranks. There are some parameters. So within our group there are
Who is
parameters.
Avinash? Now you have to leave the company and you have to go. What are going to be your last words to your boss? He is terminating your services. How are you going to part?
Thank you. I will next time I will recover my
It
problem.
was a nice time working with you, Avinash.
20 out of 22, all of you. Very good. Very good. Good. 10B and 10A, you have really done very well. It becomes difficult for the teacher to decide on 19 and 20. I'm not going to do it. So this entire lot will be 20 out of 20. Very good. And now I'm trying that 10C and 10C I haven't gone as yet.
10C.
Sorry, 10B I haven't got. 10B and 10A might be on a particular day. You have to select your best 5. They will be selecting their best 5. On the same topic, we are going to have a bigger scale discussion on the same issue. Let me see which class has a better solution. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.